Hello, số đấy khi chúng còn cả sama rồi robot mình bắt đầu tiền rồi nâng ở person bây giờ chân chắc có mình mùi phóng hơi nữa chân thằng mày nâng có subscribe vào mình muối là bảy được chết phong đây để cái bênนี้person dịch vừa hỏi chủ thực cầm sẽ cái đường robot chân tay mà đầu tư việc đi chấp đóng lòng gì chuẩn có bọn sợi để thôi bất chí có bị nè hỏi có bọn cam một trong hai thằng phôi phôi nhưng tôi muốn cho nó tới đuổi cái bị bắt tao hơi nè mơ có bất chấp phép ở trong buổi đường mùi nè à vậy là có bạn cứ có bọn sợi trong đống bây giờ rằng mình tôi dám bay tới ngày mình tới hai đôi mình chỉ cái lòng nhân đi tư hỏi mình tôi mò các bạn được xung đầy nữa thà tiếc mỏi như vậy từ rồi giống này cứ gì chuẩn chứ nữa chứ nè nâng trâu chấp nó bởi tập trung TP này trong nó ông này project hỏi mình chỉ các cốt trong tiền mùi ấy chẳng tư để mà tôi biết cá chậm nâng à mệt thầm nó có bán gì từ rồi giờ nhà cái đời là trong sống cho tranh trong quốc các cốt mười này từ cho ở nhà cái đời có bán mà sủa gì à còn cái đó có phần cột đây tới cho tranh thừa với tư cột có bán gì từ rồi chắc nào mình không biết nào để thắc trong năng lượng ngọn nụ tê chúng có bất chấp làm mình tiền ở xa tại ai tụi băng cốc làm tiền phong vì cứ mất đối chơi chạy về chuyện nụ tê nhom chỉ có bố tiếp làm tiền phong nâng có bán gì từ cănตัวเรายังหาอยากบ่งเปล่าไปเจาะจากหลังเมเดียนแต่มันต้องเปียไปเมียทอมหนังสมชันด้วยกันกวดหายเมียนไอ้การประกวดที่ใบก็บันโจมหมกดอลคือจีการประกวดเราเวียนสักขังกล่าวจมูกหนังสักขังขนมแต่เนี้ยไปนู้อันอยากกระดาษก็มาประกาศผ่องได้ถ้าไปเมียทอมจุดเล็กบัวในยังตื่นไปเอาซอจุดเล็กใบหนังใจเราไปยังจุดเล็กปีตัวเราไปยังก็จุดเล็กมวยหนึ่งไอ้หนังก็ต้องประกวดจมูกหนังสักขังขนมผ่องได้แต่โดยที่ยังมาดังหายการชนะการประกวดวันนี้กวดคืออักลักษณ์สักขังขนมไว้ยังตื่นหนังมันต้องมองกูประกวดบอกกวดไอ้สักขังขนมก็บันจริงมาผ่องได้จำนายไปดังเว้นเป็นจมูกท่าอยู่ลงแต่ห้าวท่าไปเนี่ยตัวส่วนคือจะบ้องเพราะระบาดไปขนาดหนึ่งเองหนังก็บ้านใหญ่ที่ไรแต่พอปวดสุขสบายเลยเต้หนังก็บ้านห้าวทุกการพอนขนาดระบอกคืออันนั้นก็ถูกบาปโอนไอ้ตัวจังบ้องสองศึกทุกการวิ่งเอาแต่ก็น่าเปิดได้กำปงแต่มันไปเจียไปให้ไปขนาดก็บ้านมาใส่เต็มดงบ้องเพราะจมลงตู้เนี่ยเหมือนจะได้กู้ระบาดไปเยี่ยวนหนังดูเต้ปนตายไปนั่งเมื่อตะเลยนะอันนี้ก็ได้ก็บ้านสวดได้ท่าแต่อันจะปรากฏจมูกนะเก้หาไปนั่งก็บ้านจะเอาก็บ้านทุกการเยี่ยวนหนังเต็มดงหนังก็บ้านบอสใบยังลอยจมูกแต่ช่างนั่งสองศึกปนระบอกช่างได้ระเบียบนะเต้ได้เมื่อตัวไปขนาดนั้นก็มันสบายใจเราได้ยมเต็มดงเยอะบ้องโปรโต้ก็ยมบ้องได้ที่ธรรมดาหมดหนังประโยชน์ขณีพวกแกก็บ้านจะดื้อดงจึงตื่นไปเนี่ยก็บ้านบอสใบที่เราพนมมวยขบก็น่าจะมีพนมมวยขบเชียงนี้ขับรถจังกงสมตัวมันก็ขยมเปลี่ยนตื่นหนังประหารจะช่างไอ้เลิกเล่นตัวกันไอ้บ้านจำในไอ้ยี่จวนก็น่าเปิดบ้านลือกับบ้านตุนตึกไปได้ตุกเต็มดงเยอะช่างปุ๊บจะก็ลอยตัวกันเดียวกันหลังเนาะจำในไปนั่งก็น่าเปิดบ้านลือก็ปุ๊บจะขังสมรภูตัวจมูกนังดาวกับตัวบนใต้มันเต่าหอยนูเต้ยี่จวนกับบ้านเดียวกับบ้านตัวกันเกิดทางยืดหนังก็ส่องตัววิ่งมือกันดับใดเต็มดงแต่ถั่วไปเนี่ยก็บ้านในยี่ตีรอยวิมันน้อยตัวรอยนูเต้บนใต้ก็น่าเปิดบ้านในใจยี่จวนก็ก็บ้านสมรภูหมอกเต็มดงหนังบอกตัวกันเกยขาดเลยติดบัตรตัวหอยหนังก็บ้านเสียตัววิ่งโดยตึกเป็นเอกบนใต้ก็น่าเปิดโน้ยี่จวนกับบ้านช่วยสังตัวตัวกันเกยก็น่าเปิดได้สมัยเช็ดมันตัวมาประมาณพองยี่จวนก็จับเกยบอกดูจะก้องไข่ติดบัตรตัวหอยได้จำพวกยากระดาประตูบ้านเคยก็เป็นเจ้าโหจะคลำมันเต็มมันหนึ่งท่าท่าที่บ่ายอย่างนั้นนูเต้หนังยี่จวนกับบ้านสู้ตัวกันลอยยากระดาหอยแต่ไอ้ชิ้นนั้นเราเบบหนาตัวบ่าวมันตัวสมัยจันผงหนังไปหนูกับบ้านในใจตั้งยมที่เราเหมือนบุกลังวอลตัวหอยยมตัวก็จันตัวหอยหนังคนเจ้าเราบอกเกยคือมีไอ้ครับไปยมนูเต้หอยบนตัวมองยากระดากับบ้านประกาศผงได้ทานรกในชิ้นนี้ทั้งบนเนี่ยคือบ้านบัตรตัวหอยหนังก็ไม่ได้วันพิเศษผงได้บนตาคณะเป็นโน้เนี่ยกรองในกายหนังปฏิจีกับบ้านจริงหมดที่ไรปฏิจากก็สันกับบ้านในนอมที่ไรนี่ก็เชื่อปฏิจีระบบยังนะหากก็เชื่อไปแบบร้องในกายระบบยังผงได้แต่กดไม่มุตาจริงเสียหนังการทำน้ำมาการเตนิระบบกดดับไม่ใช่เรื่องตัวการสั่งมันเด็กรุ่นน้ำบนเนี่ยนี่ผงได้ได้เรื่องนี้ทั่วอาจารย์เจนระบบยังสบายเจ็ดห้าหมดมันบาดตัวที่บนตาการเกิดวิเคราะห์ไปกับเปิดเนียงกับบ้านเฮาตัวการจะย้อนทับรถวิศวระบบหนึ่งได้ดูที่ตัวใบเชื่อมันเห็นหักล้นไอ้ถ้าเชื่อมันดูบุกไก่ก็ได้บนตาอย่างนั้นมันสมเกิดมองเรียนตัวการเนี่ยบ้านเชื่อมวยหนังอันน่าจะประทอมือนี้กูบอกเจนก็เมื่อแต่ตัวครั้งน่ะนังก็บ้านปรับที่เราเชื่อมวยนังสาวใส่ระบบจมจีจันไอ้เจ้าที่การเชื่อมวยนั่นน่ะก็บ้านได้พวกบัณฑิตได้กำลังจะตุสนาก็บ้านในใจที่เราเชื่อมดูท่าจริงเสียนึงเจอแต่สาวใส่แต่ปนอกบนตายเหล่านี้เราตัวการสอบปลอกติดพองนังพวกแกก็ปัจจัยนั้นตัวการตัวปรับใบเจิงรวมเชื่อมวยนังอาจารย์เจียนนี่พองได้บนตายยิ่งย้อนขณะเป็นหนูด้ามอกได้เพียบอ่างอายนังก็บ้านในใจที่เราอย่างนั้นมันสมเจ้าชนะนังโจตัวขนมอันน่าจะขนมนังหนึ่งกายขนมแต่ปนอกมันจังทัวเจียซักนังกลัวใบหนูที่ขณะไปแต่บ้านลือเด้อก็สันระบบจึงก็บ้านมาได้ใจแต่มาดองยี่อาปงขดอยเนี่ยคือขั้นที่เราสอนจะไปใบบนถนนตัวหายไอ้นี่ก็เชื่อการระบบไอ้ตัวหายไอ้มันจะจับยกวิเตอร์คนตายย้อนกดกันแต่บังไก่ได้ก็ห่างกันหนึ่งไอ้เนี่ยขณะไปแต่บ้านเคยก็บ้านจะจริงตัววิ่งจะมาดองมันนั่นที่บอกเกมันจังหายคือท้าทัวต่ำใจระบบเกเตอร์นั่งคนที่เอาเกทัวยี่สองขนมตัวบ้านบัดตัวหายนั่งกดก็บ้านในใจเดียวในน่าสนใจท้าอักษรตัวเนี่ยเตอร์นั่งก็บ้านในใจเดียวได้ท่าวีมันจะการสนใจจมูกหนึ่งประเดี๋ยวจะทำมันบุกโนเต้ปัญหาโมเตียนคือเมื่อตัวการใส่ระบบเดินเต่าคือเดินเต่าสลับชับๆนี่เต่าหายบนตัวมองใส่ระบบยังก็การมาดับบ้านอะไรในวันหรือสมัยตัวการตัวระบบยังก็บ้านยมแต่บดอง លោកអេដនេះគឺត្រូវទៅកោត្រូវចំពោះរឿងមួយនេះនឹងលោកប្រតិចាគណៈពេលបានឃើញក៏បានសួរតែម្ដងឯងមានរឿងអ្វីទៅគេមិនបានផ្ដល់ថ្នាំព្រះក្រក់ទៅកាន់ឯងមែនទេនឹងអនុញ្ញាតឲ្យឯងមកកាន់ទីនេះដើម្បីជ្រើសរើសទៅកាន់សិភៅវឹកហាត់មែនទេនឹងគាត់ក៏បានចូលមកបែបទៀតហើយលោកប្រតិចាខ្ញុំមិនមែនអងចិត្តជាមួយនឹងអ្នកនោះទេប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំបានធ្វើឲ្យប្រតិចាជីងសៀនឹងបាក់បងទឹកចិត្តទៅហើយតើនៅក្នុងកម្ពុជាភ្នំនេះនៅណាមិនចង់ធ្វើជាសិស្សនៅកន្លែងនោះទៅលោកអេដនឹងក៏បានទៅវិញទៀតហើយកុំជំនួយអាកូនប្រុសយ៉ាងណាមិនយើងបានសន្យាទៅកាន់ឯងថានឹងជួយទៅកាន់ឯងរយៈពេល1ខែផងដែរយាយយន់មិនទៅបានលើក៏បានសួរបញ្ជាក់គាត់ក៏បានទៅវិញហើយវាគឺពិតជាការពិតយ៉ាងណាមិនខ្ញុំឲ្យឯងបដិសេធទៅកាន់នាងប្រកាសណាខ្ញុំគឺចង់មករៀនទៅកាន់ឯងនឹងឯងតទៅជាន់ទី3ដើម្បីជ្រើសរើសទៅកាន់ជាភៅវឹកហាត់យាយយន់របស់យើងគណៈពេលដែលបានលើក៏ពិតជាអំភើបខ្លាំងមែនទែនហើយបន្ទាប់ពីចំណាយពេលរយៈពេលកន្លះម៉ោងប្រតិចាក៏បានរអ៊ូតែម្ដងអាបែរនេះគឺពិតជារយៈពេលយូរខ្លាំងម្ល៉េះនឹងគាត់មើលទៅកាន់សិភៅបានរអ៊ូទៀតហើយចលនាតនេះគឺពិតជាសំរុំខ្លាំងណាស់ប៉ុន្តែវាក៏ពិតជាមានច្រើនប្រភេទពេកហើយនឹងគណៈពេលនោះប្រតិចារបស់យើងក៏បានគិតផងដែរថាគេពិតជាមានតែកុសលជាមួយនឹងក្បាច់ដាវនឹងក៏បានរើទៅកាន់សិភៅមួយឲ្យទៅកាន់គាត់នេះគឺជាសិភៅខ្មោចយ៉ាងណាមិញវាក៏ជាវិជាវឹកហាត់ថ្នាក់លើផងដែរមនុស្សសាមញ្ញពិតជាបាក់ក្នុងការវឹកហាត់ទៅកាន់វានឹងគាត់ក៏បានអរគុណមកដែរមិនទៅប្រតិចាខ្ញុំទៅយកទៅកាន់វាទៅចោះនឹងក៏បានទៅនិយាយទៀតហើយទៅអ្នកធ្លាប់ស្គាល់ទៅកាន់ Elder Jinxie នឹងដែរទេលោកប្រតិចាក៏បានទៅវិញប្រកាសណាខ្ញុំក៏ពិតជាស្គាល់ទៅកាន់គេនឹងក៏បានសួរអាកូនសើតើឯងមានកំណត់អាក្រក់អ្វីទៅយាយយន់គាត់ក៏បាននិយាយទៀតហើយមិនមែនជាការធ្វើបាបទៅកាន់ Elder Jinxie នឹងនោះទេប៉ុន្តែជាការតុបតែងខ្លួនប៉ុណ្ណោះនឹងក៏បានសួរលោក Elder តើអ្នកក៏មានកំណត់ល្អអ្វីដែរទេលោកប្រតិចានឹងក៏បាននិយាយទៀតហើយមើលទៅកាន់នាងគឺពិតជារឹងមាំប៉ុន្តែការពិតនាងគឺពិតជារាក់ទាក់ខ្លាំងណាស់នឹងក៏បានរកដង្ហើមធំបន្តិចសាររបស់នាងក៏ពិតជាមានសំណាងល្អនឹងក៏ពិតជាជួបទៅកាន់ឱកាសធំនឹងតូចជាច្រើនប៉ុន្តែអ្នកគឺគួរតែដឹងរឿងគ្រប់យ៉ាងតែតែមានហេតុនិងមានផលទទួលបានអ្វីមួយមិនមែនជារបស់អ្នកនោះទេនឹងក៏ដូចជាសៀមនៅពេលបច្ចុប្បន្ននេះយ៉ាងអញ្ចឹងបើយើងមិនវាយគេក៏មិនវាយយើងដែរនឹងចំពោះរឿងនេះបើមិនវាយគេក៏នៅតែខាតវាយគេក៏នៅតែខាតអញ្ចឹងមានតែបន្ថយមកកណ្ដាលហ្នឹងឯងដែលពួកវាឃ្លានសង្គ្រាមបែបនេះប្រកាសណាប្រហែលជាការទឹកលិចនឹងត្រីស៊ីខួរអស់ហើយមើលទៅចូលទៅកាន់សេរីរបស់យើងវិញនឹងក៏បាននិយាយទៀតហើយបន្ទាប់មកនាងក៏ត្រូវបានសម្លាប់ហ្នឹងឯងយាយយន់ក៏បានគិតផងដែរទៅស្លាប់ទាំងអស់មែនទេនឹងក៏បាននិយាយដែរថាElder Cក៏ពិតជាមានអារម្មណ៍រសាប់ចំពោះកិច្ចការមួយនេះឬក៏ចំពោះការរើសទៅកាន់កូនសិស្សអីចឹងទៅនឹងចំណងបន្តិចបន្តួចក៏បានកើនឡើងរយៈពេលជាច្រើនឆ្នាំនេះផងដែរមនុស្សធម្មតាក៏ពិតជាមិនអាចទ្រាំចំពោះរឿងនេះបាននោះទេលោកប្រតិចាក៏បានរកទៅហើមធំបន្តិចបើសិនជាគាត់ចង់នោះសម្រាប់ឯងតាមតែមួយដៃតែប៉ុណ្ណោះទោះបីជាគាត់មានឈ្មោះថាជាងសៀក៏ដោយប៉ុន្តែនៅពេលអតីតកាលគាត់ក៏មាននៅអត្តសញ្ញាណមួយដ៏ខ្ពង់ខ្ពស់ប្រតិចាក្នុងន័យការខាងក្នុងទាំងអស់ហៅគាត់ថាលូយន់ឬក៏បុព្វបុរសអីចឹងទៅលូយន់ក៏មានន័យថាប្រពកហូរនឹងឯងយាយយន់គណៈពេលដែលបានលើក៏ប្រតិបត្តិអើខ្លាំងមែនទែនថាមិនជាបុព្វបុរសនេះក្នុងបុព្វហូរមែនទេនឹងបន្ទាប់មកគាត់ក៏បាននៅសម័យទៅកាន់អាចារ្យជាងស៊ីយន់ដែលគាត់បានទៅជួយនឹងឯងមើលទៅកាន់ស្ទែរបស់នាងព័ត៌មានរបស់នាងបន្តិចទៀតនាងនឹងធ្វើបង្គំទៅកាន់លូយន់នឹងធ្វើជាគ្រូតែម្ដងនឹងគាត់ក៏បានកើតទៀតហើយបើសិនបើខ្ញុំទៅជួបទៅកាន់គាត់នោះនឹងឲ្យរំពាត់អត់ធំទៅកាន់គាត់ប្រហែលជាគ្មានការរំខានអំពីគាត់ទៀតនោះទេហើយបន្ទាប់មកស្រីរបស់យើងក៏កាត់មកដល់កំពូលភ្នំបាយជីសំណាក់នៃសិស្សស្រីនឹងឯងនឹងក៏បានលើកទៅកាន់សម្លេងរបស់ចៅម្នាក់ដែលលើកក៏អីនឹងក៏បាននិយាយទៀតហើយជាងស៊ីយន់ខ្ញុំគឺមិនស្រួលនោះទេអ្នកគឺអាចទទួលបានការងារនោះថៃស្អីបន្តទៅទៀតជាងស៊ីជីក៏បានតទៅវិញហើយបងស្រីសែនខ្ញុំគឺបានជួយទៅកាន់អ្នកជាច្រើនណាស់មកហើយប្រសិនបើជាអ្នកចាស់ទុំរកឃើញនោះពួកគេប្រកាសជាត្រូវមានន័យជាមិនការនោះទេអាចារ្យនឹងក៏បាននិយាយទៀតហើយយ៉ាងណាមិញឥឡូវនេះប្រតិចារឬក៏បបរោគឺមានកិច្ចការរវល់ច្រើនណាស់គឺមានពេលដើម្បីមើលមកកាន់ពួកយើងនោះទេនឹងមើលទៅកាន់កូនចៅរបស់នាងក៏ពិតជាសើទៅកាន់នាងខ្លាំងមែនទែននឹងក៏បាននិយាយទៅកាន់ឈ្មោះរបស់តួរបស់យើងដែលជាជីយន់នឹងផងដែរតែជាបរិសសង្ហាអីអញ្ចឹងទៅជាធម្មតាទេតាមនៅល្បីគឺគេស្គាល់យ៉ាងអញ្ចឹងឯងប៉ុន្តែមានល្បីដែរប៉ុន្តែគ្មានណាស្គាល់ទៅទេសោះនឹងពួកនាងក៏បាននិយាយទៀតហើយអញ្ចឹងណាមិញគាត់ក៏បានឈ្នះលេខ1ទៀតផងចំណែកឯបបរោក៏ចង់យកគាត់ធ្វើជាសិស្សផងដែរប៉ុន្តែត្រូវបានគាត់ប្រដេសេធអីអញ្ចឹងទៅអាចារ្យសែននឹងក៏បានរអ៊ូទៀតហើយយ៉ាងណាមិញប្រតិចាក៏បានចំណាយច្រើនណាស់ដើម្បីទទួលយកទៅកាន់គេអាចារ្យជាងស៊ីយានរបស់យើងក៏បាននិយាយទៀតហើយដូចជាការរំពឹងទុករបស់បងប្រុសរបស់ខ្ញុំមានគាត់គឺពិតជាអស្ចារ្យខ្លាំងណាស់គណៈពេលនោះកញ្ញាសែនក៏បានហៅទៅកាន់នាងទៀតហើយណែជាងស៊ីយានឈ្មោះរបស់បងប្រុសមិនចេះតែហៅនោះទេគាត់គឺជាជនខ្ពស់អ្នកចង់តង់ទៅកាន់គាត់ដើម្បីល្បីមែនទេគាត់ក៏បានយកឈ្នះទៅកាន់អបិនិកនោះទៀតផងយ៉ាងណាមិញជាសត្វកេងគួរកុំចង់ទៅស៊ីទៅកាន់សត្វកញ្ញាឲ្យសោះកុំគិតថាបានស៊ីសូម្បីតែលិតនឹងហិតក៏មិនបានហិតដែរមិនស្រួលសូម្បីតែរូបថតក៏មិនបាន បានមើលផងមើលទៅជាងស៊ីយាននេះក៏បាននេះក៏បានទៅកាន់នាងវិញក៏ដោយយ៉ាងណាមិញបងប្រុសយាយយន់មិនគិតដូចជាអ្នកនោះទេយ៉ាងណាមិញគាត់ប្រកាសជាមានហេតុផលមួយដើម្បីបដិសេធទៅកាន់លោកមេប៉ាអីចឹងទៅនឹងមិនធ្វើជាសាផ្ទាល់ក៏ដោយគណៈពេលនោះកញ្ញាពី3នាក់ទៀតក៏បានសើចតែម្ដងហាហានិយាយធ្វើដូចជាឯងស្គាល់យ៉ាងអញ្ចឹងតាមពិតមិនស្គាល់ទៅកាន់យាយយន់នោះទេគណៈពេលនោះកញ្ញាសិនក៏បានងើបមកនិយាយទៀតហើយយ៉ាងណាមិញជាងស៊ីជីនៅយប់នោះគឺអ្នកបានមកវិញជាមួយនឹងបងប្រុសជេប្រកាសណាស់ខ្ញុំគឺដឹងច្រើនជាងអ្នកទូទៀតហើយអ្នកក៏គួរតែស្គាល់ទៅកាន់មុខតំណែងរបស់អ្នកផងដែរអ្នកគឺគ្រាន់តែជាកម្មចម្ដើដើម្បីឈានឡើងតែប៉ុណ្ណោះអ្នកគឺកំពុងតែវង្វេងហើយប៉ុន្តែគណៈពេលនោះសម្លេងរបស់តួរបស់យើងក៏បានមកដល់តែម្ដងនិងក៏បានហៅឲ្យចិនស៊ីជីទៅអ្នករស់នៅទីនេះមែនទេហើយអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាក៏ពិតជាសប្បាយចិត្តទៅកាន់សម្លេងមួយនេះនិងបន្ទាប់មកក៏បានឃើញទៅកាន់ទីយន្តបរិសង្ហាតារាមកុចមកដល់ផងដែរប៉ុន្តែសេចក្តីរបស់យើងក៏ត្រឹមបញ្ចប់ត្រឹមតែប៉ុណ្ណេះគណៈពេលនេះមិនជម្រាបលាជួបគ្នាក្នុងវីដេអូក្រោយ